Hi, Stone here with Wood and Stone. I've been working on doing a higher gloss finish technique with Odie's oil. I love this product, and now I want to get a higher gloss finish, which I typically don't do, but on your higher figured pieces that have chatoyance and a lot of movement in them, allowing that light to get through the finish to actually make that pop really does those types of wood service. So the trick is, finish everything like you normally would with Odie's. I just sanded this to 220, put the finish on it, Odie's oil finish, wiped it off, let it dry. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna hit this with 4000 grit, which almost feels like there's no sanding there at all. Wipe it all off, put Odie's oil on it with the non-woven pad, same application, let it dry, wipe it off, and then I'll hit it with the Rodex with sheepskin pad on it to get just that nice, really high gloss finish to it, and then we'll do a pan across it to show you what that looks like. So here we go. So just like a normal Odie's oil application, non-woven pad, very, very thin coat, and I'm gonna let this, circular motion, I'm gonna let this set up for about 45 minutes or so, 45 minutes to an hour, and then I'll come back and wipe it off just the same as you do with the first application of Odie's. Okay, so now I have everything wiped off the way that it's supposed to. I'm super happy with the way that this finish turned out. You can see with the quilted maple, it really makes that pop. We'll get zoomed in here and get a nice pan across there so you can see this product. It's so easy to use, and what it yields for look and durability, I've been super impressed with. I have work that's been out there for well over a year now that's holding up just fine, and I've heard stories about much, much longer usage without issues. So I am really enjoying the ease of this product and love that I can achieve these levels of finishes with it as well. So I hope you give it a shot. Have a good day.